Demographics. Jefferson High School is located in Westlake School District. Westlake ISD is a large district servicing approximately 17,000 students and employs 853 teachers. It consists of 2 high schools, 4 middle schools, and 15 elementary schools. It is within 30 miles of a major metropolitan center in the northeastern U.S. The students are predominantly white and are middle to upper class. 80% of the students score at or above the mean on norm reference tests, and 92% of their graduating seniors enter higher learning institutions. The average number of years of experience for teachers is 16 years. The parents are active participants in the education of their children and will go to great lengths to assure their voices are heard. The superintendent has held the position for the past 5 years and is respected by both teachers and parents. There are 2 assistant superintendents who direct the principals and oversee the daily operations. There are also 4 full-time staff development facilitators in the central office. Jefferson High School has 1 principal and 1 assistant principal.